It was after. I think I need to take.
Let's see that guy don't go. He must have gone. Let me go back. I'll go back. I'll go back.
Asana,
I did, bro.
what did happen?
How you doing?
I do.
What you find for this house?
Now yeah, suppose that I been see you here before now. We did answer my guys.
Yeah, na my area normally. Like I dey hang out for this place.
I dey live for here now. What did happen?
No wahala now.
What did
wow.
what did you
Nothing.
do?
Yeah, na my area. I just say.
What did they? You get something where I keep here. I just one pick and share.
Which one be? How you go tell me say you get what you keep for you? Me, I keep something for this. Now make me come back. So why you go there?
Let's say something they do you for head. What did they do you? Sir?
Oga, give me wetin you collect from here. You say something they do me. I go keep something here. Come back. They tell me say you keep something here. Since when?
I don't understand. Wait to. This guy.
I beg.
Oga, see. Baba, no, no, even use me play now. What did they stop, sir?
I know they vibrate. Na action I dey take. I tell you say this place na my area. I tell you say I keep something for this place. I tell you say I keep something for this place.
Wait to. Baba fan now.
What's up?
How they do you?
Where money where dey my pocket? Wetin dey happen?
My two phones where they here just they miss like
You
this.
dey use me play. I tell you say I hold.
And you know saying you been there here.
I carry hard currency for pocket.
What you be
Wait
the
wait. Hey, na lie.
Afana.
Na lie.
Okay. Ah. Bros.
Hey!
Alpha. No reason, Alpha.
You know get wetin we dey reason.
Thank God.
Eh? Where my money?
No, as no even try ask me that kind of stupid question. Which one be this one now?
Wait.
Why they ask me this kind of rubbish question?
Wait. Why you dey shout? You know say thief no dey shout. Chairman, thief no dey shout. Relax. We will join head. Alpha, you collect my money. Okay, if you no wan gree. For example, for instance, you collect my money.
Papa, nah, as you turn like this, I see some car, I just pick some small money.
You pick some small money, now you clear everything.
You, not my two phones where they
I
you know how much.
I just collect.
You just
for
collect
example,
for for example, you just collect.
So where the money there now? Where the money?
Wait, though, they ask me, as you did like this, they ask me this question. From here, they come, make I come pick with I drop here. You,
No,
they come, make
the
I
same
pick
coming
with you.
me and they come. Make I come.
So you can't ask me, who come pick am?
Which kind of wahala be this one?
I have to know.
After
How
how
are
I'm
you?
fine, brother.
Hey, which kind of wahala be this one? So wait,
Let me say, person.
I dey thief you, they thief me.
You don't, now wetin dey happen now? You dey thief me. I just dey collect. You dey thief me. I just no talk and thief. I just pick something. You know.
Why you no just respect yourself? Allow me thief wetin I want thief. They go. Eh?
Let me say, so we just dey like this. Another, we just
No
hustle
wahala
for,
na.
we just hustle for another person.
GG 1-1. You lose, I lose. Case settled. May everybody they go house. You no pay me, he pay you. So
Nah, Baba, I don't
You don't
understand.
be.
Though. I
Next time,
think
later
if you normal person, they see you for street. I think if you normal person, I don't say be.
yeah, me I think say be
Paco,
pastor pikin. I no say be thief. Next time, if person they thief you, they mind your business.
Nah, but you don't make me lose something
make I
now.
teach
They
something.
crazy.
Mind yourself.
You have left. Pretty people. Hey.